And remember, the name of the boat's the Jammy Dodger.
Thanks for bringing me this far.
You're welcome.
See ya.
Hello? Permission to come aboard? Ahoy there. Sorry, I didn't mean to intrude, Mr. Captain Skipper Thingy.
Hey, that's Miss Captain Skipper Thingy to you.
Oops.
What are you doing on my boat?
Look, I've had a really bad day and I just need your help. You see, I've been thrown out of my own home. I've been flushed down my own toilet.
Yeah, thank you. Too much information. I've got my own problems, mate.
She's around here somewhere.
Stay down. Keep quiet.
Why? Who are we hiding from?
I said quiet. There's rats after me who'd like to kill me.
Well, I'll contain my amazement. All right, all right. Quiet as a mouse.
Over there!
You idiot!
Sorry about that. I'll be off then. Sorry!
Can't let her get away.
Come on, dummy, me old mate. Don't do this to me. Let me go, you pink-eyed freak!
I'm upset now.
Ah! Whatever's going on here, I assure you I'm not involved. I'm an innocent bystander.
Rita, Rita, Rita! You thought you could give us the slip? What are you looking at? Keep still! Come on in! Right! Who have we got here?
I believe he said his name was Millicent Bystander.
Millicent!
Actually, no.
Now then, where's the ruby, Rita?
The boss wants it back.
I don't have your stupid ruby.
Okay, are we going to do it the easy way or the hard way?
Oh, I think we should do it the easy way, don't you, Spike?
Oh!
All right. Check the tin.
Good girl. See, Whitey, this is how to do it. Watch and learn, my son. Watch and...
Was it in there?
Right! Rip it up, lads!
Hey! You get your filthy paws off my stuff!
It's in here somewhere. I can feel it in my guts.
That'll be last night's curry, Spike. I'm the same. I've got a bum like a Japanese flag.
Would you please tell these people I'm not involved in this?
Fine. All right, listen up. This gentleman, he's not from around here.
Thank you.
Just look how nicely he's dressed.
Oh, thank you.
And why? Because he's an international jewel thief.
Precisely. What? No, no!
He stole the ruby from me, and if you
No,
just put
no,
me down,
she's lying.
I'll
All
help
right,
you get
all
it.
right. It's time to bring out the Persuader. Your choice, mate. You can talk now, or you can talk later. Ain't that right, Persuader?
Yeah, in a much higher voice.
The Persuader's alive, Spike.
You'll be singing like a tea kettle.
Ha! Good one, Persuader.
I don't even know her. I don't know anything about anything.
Careful, miss. You'll injure yourself.
Oh! I know where it is. I know where it is.
Come on in, spit it out.
Don't you dare! Look at the bottom. I mean, is it me or is it oddly shaped?
You little snitch.
The booty's in the booty.
Hey!
Oh, thanks, mate. The boss is going to be so happy with us.
You're toast.